So this is very exciting. This video may be a little blurry at times, but my 2010 Honda Element that I bought with 8 kilometers from Yonker Honda in Langley is about to hit a milestone. So I'm taking you on the drive as the next 6 kilometers of this incredible vehicle. And I can tell you the story of the company that takes care of my car. Our SUV. It is the 4-wheel drive version. It's Precision Auto Service in Langley at Fraser Highway and 232nd. For I think 10 plus years, Scott and his team have been taking care of my car. You can kind of see up there. And it's funny, for about the last 100,000 kilometers, I always ask Scott, hey, is it time that I trade this in or get a new car? And he says, nope. You still have lots of life left on it. Why? Because I do regular maintenance. As something comes up and they identify, the team fixes it. I don't ask any questions. Their tagline of, we worry about your car so you don't have to, is 100% true. I so love over the last 100,000 kilometers that when I say it's making kind of a crazy noise, a clunk clunk funk noise, they find it very entertaining. They will put I'm the driver. They'll put one of their technicians in my car. We'll go for a long drive so they can listen to it. There's been times when I've been backing up and there's been a little bit of thunk clang going on, and it was easily diagnosed. I love the fact that Precision Auto Service has loaner cars, because I am a small business owner here in the township of Langley, and I do a lot of driving. Thus, I'm driving right now to drop my dog off, and I'm driving along Zero Avenue, and I'm heading out to Mission to do a customer engagement and demo sampling for one of my clients, Olivier's Breads, and my car has to stay in tip-top shape. Last night, I rearranged all the items in the back of my Honda Element to make sure all my demo samples fit accordingly, and this car has just been amazing. So we are getting down to the last 4 kilometers before I hit an incredible milestone on my Honda Element. And it's funny, I was at Chevron in Langley, I think at 288th area, and a guy ran out to my car and he says, I have 2 Honda Elements. His was a 2005 and he had another one that was a 2006. And he said, I just kind of put both of them together. And he has a manual transmission. So we talked about Honda Elements, and I shared with him that I belong to a Honda Element community on Facebook and that he should join. So I showed him the link, because, once you have one of these, as people tend to call it, a toaster mobile, you are always in your element, wink wink, nudge nudge, every single day of your life. And this is not a very glamorous car, to say the least, or SUV. It is a very utilitarian, and I think Honda did themselves a huge disservice by discontinuing them. It's a vehicle that has held their value for very, very well. I think I could sell this one easily for, even with all these kilometers on it, I could sell it easily for $10,000 or almost $13,000. And this is, it's a 2010. It's a 15-year-old vehicle. Extremely handy for hauling my stuff around. Oh my gosh, we're 2 kilometers away from 400,000 kilometers. I'm driving safely. This is amazing. This is exciting, people. It may not be exciting for you, but I chose not to get another vehicle. I'm one that when you take care of things and you build those relationships with people, that's where it's at. That's where it's at. Oh my gosh, 3999999. Oh, somebody's passing me because I'm driving too slow. Wow. Can you see that? It's 10 degrees outside. It's rainy today in South Langley. Incredible, incredible, incredible. So we're approaching the 400,000 kilometer mark on my Honda Element. It's black. And shall we go? Drum roll, 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 drum roll. When is it gonna hit 400,000 kilometers? Woohoo! 400,000 kilometers. Woo, woo, woo. So again, I want to give a huge shout out to Scott Waddle of Precision Auto Service. He's also got Grip Tire in Murrayville, and he's just opened up an EV lab Langley in Aldergrove. If you've got a vehicle, diesel, gas, electric, trust the guys at Precision Auto Service. Now I have to turn around because I went past where I was going to capture that on a straight line. So awesome, awesome, awesome. 400,000 kilometers. It's an epic day. It's an epic day. Enjoy your day, everybody. I'm in my element.